Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best suede cleaner is probably one of the most essential items in any shoe lover's arsenal, especially when it comes to preserving the pristine condition of those beloved suede shoes that can easily get scuffed, stained, or dirty with just a single wear, making it a crucial tool for maintaining their appearance and longevity. Number 5. Classic Suede and Nubuck Cleaner 4-Way Brush. Introducing the ultimate tool for suede and nubuck care. This brush is designed to bring your footwear back to its original, wearable condition with ease. Forget about multiple cleaning products. This innovative brush is a standalone solution, eliminating the need for additional cleaners or brushes. Unlike regular brushes that just move dirt around, its unique bristles are engineered to lift and separate debris. This prevents spreading and leaves your shoes looking cleaner. With 3 specialized rubber brush heads, you can meticulously clean every corner and narrow welt of your shoes. No spot will be left untouched. The combination of brass and nylon bristles provides a powerful yet gentle cleaning experience. It effectively dislodges dirt without requiring excessive pressure. Its thoughtful design and material selection ensure effective cleaning without damaging your delicate suede or nubuck items. What we like. This brush offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with its multi-directional bristles. It's designed to tackle tough dirt and scuff marks effectively without needing additional cleaning agents. If you're looking for a robust tool to restore heavily soiled suede items, this is a great choice. What people say. This suede cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and stains from shoes. The brush included in the kit is perfect for restoring the nap of the suede. It works on various types of suede and nubuck materials. Number 4. Gear Aid Revivex Suede Boot Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. Don't let dirt and grime ruin your favorite suede boots. Our kit is designed to clean and condition them, bringing them back to life. Keep your footwear dry and protected from the elements. It provides reliable waterproofing, ensuring comfort in any weather. This cleaner and conditioner is perfect for all your suede hiking and work boots. It's also safe for breathable footwear like Gore-Tex. Restoring your boots is simple with this all-in-one kit. Just follow the easy steps for a like-new finish. Invest in the longevity of your boots. Regular cleaning and conditioning will help them last longer and perform better. Trust Gear Aid for all your outdoor gear maintenance needs. We provide high-quality solutions to keep your equipment in top condition. What we like. This kit focuses on both cleaning and conditioning, with a special emphasis on waterproofing. It's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts or those working in wet conditions. If your priority is to protect breathable footwear like Gore-Tex boots from water damage and wear, this product is for you. What people say. This suede cleaner works great on my shoes, removing dirt and stains effectively. The brush included in the kit is very useful for restoring the nap of the suede. I was impressed with how well this cleaner brought my old suede boots back to life. Number 3. Leather Honey Suede Cleaner. Introducing our premium foaming cleaner, specially designed for all your suede and nubuck items. It gently yet effectively removes dirt, oil, and tough stains, maintaining the delicate texture. This versatile cleaner works wonders on all colors, including white, and is safe for smooth leather, faux leather, and even canvas and rubber. It's perfect for shoes, boots, jackets, and bags. Our powerful foaming formula does the hard work for you. Simply apply to a cloth and wipe away dirt with ease, restoring your items to their original beauty. Formulated with non-toxic, high-quality ingredients, it's pH balanced and safe for people, pets, and your cherished leather goods. It's free from harmful forever chemicals. Proudly made in the USA since 1968, our premium leather care formulas have been trusted by experts and enthusiasts for over 50 years. Experience the difference quality makes. What we like. This cleaner provides a gentle yet effective deep clean for all your suede and nubuck items. Its non-toxic foaming formula is safe for every color, including white, and preserves the delicate texture. If you have delicate or light-colored suede items and want a safe, easy-to-use cleaner, this is an excellent option. What people say. This suede cleaner works great on my suede boots, removing dirt and scuffs effectively. The brush included in the kit is very handy for scrubbing away tough stains and restoring the nap of the suede. I was impressed with how well this cleaner revived the color of my old suede shoes, making them look almost new again. Number 2. Leather Honey Suede and Nubuck Care Kit. Introducing the all-in-one kit designed to keep your suede and nubuck looking its best. It includes everything you need for effortless cleaning and protection. Our specially formulated cleaner gently lifts dirt and grime while preserving the delicate texture of your materials. It works effectively on various surfaces, including smooth leather and canvas. This protector creates a breathable barrier against spills and stains. It repels water, dirt, rain, and snow, keeping your items pristine. Use the premium eraser and brush to gently remove surface dirt and restore the nap. Keep your suede and nubuck soft and velvety with ease. Made in the USA with non-toxic, high-quality ingredients, our products are safe for people, pets, and your leather. Trust over 50 years of expertise for lasting leather care. Perfect for shoes, boots, Uggs, jackets, furniture, and bags. It even cleans rubber soles, making it your go-to solution for all your suede and nubuck needs. What we like. This is a complete care package, offering everything from cleaning to protection and restoration. It includes a cleaner, protector, brush, and eraser for a full suede maintenance routine. If you prefer a convenient, all-in-one solution to keep your suede looking pristine and protected from the elements, this kit is highly recommended. What people say. This suede cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and stains from shoes. The brush included in the kit is great for restoring the nap of the suede. It works on various types of suede and nubuck materials. Number 1. Pink Miracle Shoe Care Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Care Kit, your all-in-one solution for keeping your footwear looking its best. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to clean, protect, and maintain your favorite shoes. Our 8 ounces shoe cleaner and brush effectively tackle dirt and grime, restoring the original look of your shoes. It's designed for a deep clean without damaging materials. Keep your sneakers pristine with our Protector Sneaker Repellent Spray. This advanced formula creates an invisible barrier to guard against stains and water damage. For on-the-go touch-ups, use our convenient shoe cleaning wipes. With 5 wipes included, you can easily remove scuffs and marks anytime, anywhere. Finish with our soft microfiber towel for a streak-free shine. It's perfect for drying and buffing your shoes after cleaning or applying protection. This kit provides all the essential tools for comprehensive shoe maintenance. Experience the convenience and effectiveness of a complete care system. What we like. This kit offers a variety of cleaning and protection options in one package. It includes a brush, repellent spray, and convenient wipes for on-the-go cleaning. If you appreciate having multiple tools for different cleaning situations and want an added layer of protection against future stains, this comprehensive kit is a practical choice. What people say. This cleaner effectively removed scuffs and dirt from my suede shoes, restoring their original look. The brush included in the kit was surprisingly gentle yet effective at lifting grime without damaging the suede nap. I was impressed by how quickly the cleaner worked, drying fast and leaving no residue behind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.